see, are we gonna get a double yolker today? Let's look at here. Ooh, looky there. Double yolker. Yeah, we're using our cast iron. Sure like it. We got our flip there. There. Looky there. Now we got our hash browns. We're going to use these dehydrated. Almost, I got to fill it back up now. I've used them. All you do is put hot water in a cup. Don't quite cover them. Come up just near the bottom of them. Let them set for about 5-10 minutes, and then they'll be rehydrated. You can put them back into, or put them into the skillet and fry them. Alrighty, let's get these hash browns in here. Yeah. Now that's about a half a cup that I used, that rehydrated. Now, oh, they're looking good. Now let's see if we can flip them. Looky there. Golden brown. I believe these are going to be ready. Looky there, looky there. We got hash browns, a double yolker egg, and a biscuit. Well, I hope you enjoyed my double yolk good luck breakfast. Double yolk's supposed to be good luck. Hey, and I used my cast iron. Hey, if you like one of those other videos, click on it and I'll meet you there.